guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because after however long it's been, I don't know how many years, I finally filmed my silk press tutorial. So it won't take too long. Let's just go ahead and jump into the whole process. This is start to finish. This is way too easy, you guys. This is way too easy. There's no reason why your hair shouldn't be looking like glass. All right, it's too easy. So let's just go ahead and get into it.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. Just got it all figured out. That's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy driving to let you out, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy driving to left you out, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Well, now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Just got it all figured out. That's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done.
Whew. I'm gonna take a little break after that.
You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Well, now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. game. Problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Well, now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lying lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty.
So I don't want to be extra or anything, but I needed some extra lighting so you guys could see. So you guys could see that this is glass, okay? This is glass that you're saying, all right? Because the lighting wasn't giving what I needed to be gave. So I need y'all to see how smooth this is, okay? And this is not even like with my hair, like, you know, after it's wrapped. Look at that. What have we been doing? You know, after it's wrapped, it gets like even silkier. So imagine day 2 after I unwrap my hair. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, what are we even? Hold on, come back light. Can we? Oh no, light is facing the wrong way. Thank you so much, light. Oh my gosh, like what are we doing? You know, this also shows my true hair color. I remember when I would film previous videos and people ask like, why didn't you dye your hair black if it's dark already? It's actually not that dark. I want it to be blickety black, you know what I'm saying? Ugh, look at that. It's like not even fair how much shine the camera takes away. Look at that. Ugh. All right, so I hope that was super helpful. Of course, I have linked everything that you need below my Amazon storefront. I'm gonna link it below, and I'm gonna put a whole separate like section of my Amazon storefront that just is for silk presses. So it's literally everything you need for a silk press. That way you don't have to like kind of go through individually, or maybe I'll leave it how it is. But anyways, yes, I'll link it all below in my Amazon storefront. So yeah, me and my glass hair. We'll see you guys in the next video. Looks so good. So good. Bye. Bruh, when I tell y'all my back hurts so bad from sitting in this stupid chair. Normally I don't, oh my God, I don't sit down when I do my hair. Like I have this thing where I just can't sit down. I have to be standing up. Y'all, I looked at the timer. It took me exactly 30 minutes to flat iron my whole head. I normally can get this done in 20. That's how much sitting down was impeding the process, okay? Wasn't a vibe. That's my Harry Potter cup. I definitely looked at that word, child. I had to make sure I didn't get too high. You guys get it. You guys get it. All right, bye.